If you have a health problem that just won't go away, then Reynoldsburg Acupuncture may be just what you need. Dr. James Hicks of Reynoldsburg Acupuncture is a chiropractor certified by the Chiropractic State Board to practice acupuncture in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. He has practiced here over 14 years. Dr. Hicks also holds several degrees, diplomates, and fellowship degrees in the fields of chiropractic and naturopathy. He was the first chiropractor in the state of Ohio to become certified in needle acupuncture, so he really knows what he's doing, and his patients say they get great results. Dr. Hicks and our friendly staff take special pride in getting outstanding results for the more difficult health problems that plague people today. Now, our clinic is not your typical acupuncture clinic in Reynoldsburg, Ohio, because we provide so many healthcare services all in one place. Whether you're looking for acupuncture treatment, facial rejuvenation, cosmetic acupuncture, massage, a full physical therapy rehabilitation suite, chiropractic care, or nutrition evaluation, you can find it all here at our acupuncture clinic. Our clinic is located at 6480 East Main Street, Suite B, Reynoldsburg, Ohio, and we have plenty of parking for your convenience. When you call us, be sure to ask about our new patient program, and more importantly, how much money you can save on your health care costs. Call Reynoldsburg Acupuncture today for a consultation at 614-864-1611 and get the help you deserve. That's 614-864-1611.